Meaning of increasingly.
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 Increasingly. The term increasingly refers to the gradual or steady growth in something. It indicates a situation where a particular phenomenon is becoming more and more pronounced or prominent over time. This can be seen in different contexts such as social, economic, technological, or environmental spheres. For instance, an increasingly diverse workforce would suggest that there is a steady growth in the number of individuals from various backgrounds and cultures in a given organization. Similarly, an increasingly polluted environment reflects a situation where there is a gradual buildup of harmful substances in the atmosphere or water bodies.